My name is Joseph and I'm a farmer, and this is my story. Today I'm going to teach you cage farming. For those of you who are doing poultry, cage farming is the way to go. Look at this. It has limited space but has many birds, as you can see here. Here at this side I have almost 1,000 birds on this cage. So what are you supposed to do when you are starting cage farming? You have to be with the money to procure the cages. You have to know how to set them. You have to count how many birds do you want to start with to start this cage farming. I think it is a profitable venture because it limits you. For those of you who complain a lot that you don't have space, you have no land where to do the poultry, cage farming, I think it is the way to go. Look at this. Each cage, for example, each unit, it can accommodate like four birds. And here I have almost 60 units where you can put your birds. Like now, I'm feeding my birds. Okay? Just feed your birds every day, like this. I'm limiting the movement. I don't need many workers here when I'm feeding my birds. So this is the way to go. And even up here, you do the same. Okay? Okay, this is feeding. For the case of like water, I don't need to give them water because we have drips around here. Each bird can access water on each drip you can see here because these are already installed. You know, when water reduces the other side, I will show you the tanks that we have around here. The tanks are always everywhere. Each unit has tanks. I installed almost 5 tanks on each unit, like 1,000 birds, where we can put the water. When water reduces, because we did this unit very well, the unit is well constructed, so each bird comes here, gets water, as you see in the picture. So, you farmers who want to start this kind of farming, this is the way to go. It is a profitable venture and it reduces. You don't need many workers. Like each unit can accommodate like 1 worker on a day. So here we have like 4 units for 1,000, like we have 4,000 in this unit. So our birds are doing well. So if you want to start like me, you will not go wrong. And come and visit Emerge Integrated Farm here at Gambirana, and you see how farmers can reap big. So you can reap big out of this. So here I collect my eggs on a daily basis, and we take them to different sellers. You know, many sellers come here and buy different birds. So join me in supporting cage farming. Cage farming is the way to go. I'm going to bring many experts to explain to you how you can go cage farming, right? So I have my friends here, the one I work with. What is your name? Steven, right? This is Ivan. Ivan is the one taking care of this place. So for us, we just come to show you what you can practice on a daily basis. So this is cage farming, poultry. You will not go wrong. Please come and join this kind of farming. Start it today or never. Thank you. Keep on listening, keep on watching the Farmers Hub. Want a good day. Check, what is your name?
Singuza Ivan.
Singuza Ivan, what do you do here? You are Singuza Ivan, what do you do here?
Gamiana.
Singuza Ivan is the caretaker over the farm manager of the poultry cage type of farming here at Gambirana Emerge Integrated Farm. Passion is the reason we emerge. Lohmann kanzi. Ebi kaneliyitamu ne lijja wano. Cobb.